Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple pie monkey bread. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 cans of biscuits, and you want that to be the 8 count. And I just did the regular grains, not the flaky layers. Then you need a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 can of apple pie filling, whatever kind you like. I think mine is about 21 ounces. Then you're going to need a 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and we're going to melt that so you don't have to worry about it being at room temperature. A 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I have that packed. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and then you're going to need, if you want to, some caramel to drip, to put in the middle and then on top. So I'm just going to use this 12 ounces of the caramel dessert topping. If you could find like the Kraft Bits or Kraft caramels, you could just melt those. I couldn't find any, so that's why I'm using these. So let's go ahead and get started. You also are going to need some kind of bundt pan. So I'm going to spray that generously with cooking spray and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so next open your 2 cans of biscuits and just cut each of the biscuits into 4s. So you can see I just have these like little smaller pieces here. And then you want to open up your apple pie filling, pour it into a bowl, and just also chop that up with a knife into smaller pieces. And then set both of those to the side. Okay, next I am going to melt 1/2 of my butter in the microwave, so that is 4 tablespoons. It will probably take about a minute. Alright, my butter is melted, so I am going to add that into a big bowl with our chopped up apple pie filling, both of our sugars, our teaspoon of cinnamon, and our 6 tablespoons of flour, and just mix that well. Alright, everything is nice and combined, so next we are going to dip our biscuits into this apple pie filling and place them into the bundt pan, just about 1/2 of them at first. Alright, about 1/2 of my biscuit pieces have been dipped into my mixture, and then I just put them into the bottom of my bundt pan, and we still have a lot of the mixture left. So next we are going to melt the rest of our butter and drizzle 1/2 of it over top of this, and then put about 1/2 of this mixture on top of that. Alright, I drizzled 1/2 of my remaining butter, so 2 tablespoons over top of my dough pieces, and then I put about 1/2 of my apple pie filling mixture in there. So next we are going to go ahead and add I'm going to add probably about 1/2 of my caramel and just drizzle it over top as well. Alright, that looks so yummy. So I took the rest of my cut up biscuits and dipped them into my apple pie filling, and we're just going to repeat the last steps. Alright, the other 1/2 of my cut up biscuits are added on top, and now I'm going to drizzle my other 2 tablespoons of butter on there and add a little more of the caramel sauce, and then top it with the rest of the apple pie filling. Alright, that looks amazing, and as you can see, it's pretty much to the top here. So I'm going to put it on a cookie sheet just in case any of it spills out. I don't want my oven to be too crazy messy. And we are going to bake that at 350 for 35 minutes. Alright, my monkey bread is out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool for about 10 minutes up here before I invert it onto my serving platter. But I did have to put mine in for about 15 extra minutes because it was too gooey in the middle. So just keep that in mind. Alright, my monkey bread cooled for about 20 minutes before I inverted it onto this pan here, or this container. And then I drizzled the rest of my caramel on top. So this one has a lot of caramel. So we are going to let it cool for a couple more minutes and then pull some off and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I got some on this little plate here for Taste Tester, so we'll see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Good enough, Mama. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye!